Egg recipe breakfast. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Breakfast burritos. Yields 4 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Total time 35 minutes. Ingredients: half a pound of tomatillos, husked, rinsed, and halved, 1 jalapeno, halved and seeded, a half of a small onion, cut into wedges, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1/3 of a cup of packed cilantro, kosher salt, 6 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 cup of shredded pepper jack or cheddar cheese, 1 cup of fat-free refried beans, and 4 large tortillas. Directions: arrange the oven rack 6 inches from broiler. Heat broiler. Arrange tomatillos and jalapeno, cut sides down, on a foil-lined baking sheet along with onion and broil until blistered 10 to 12 minutes. Let the vegetables cool, then transfer to the food processor. Add lime juice, cilantro, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and post to combine. Salsa should be slightly chunky. Beat eggs with 1 tablespoon of water and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Heat oil in a large nonstick skillet on medium. Add eggs and cook, stirring with a rubber spatula every few seconds to the desired doneness, 2 to 3 minutes for medium soft eggs. Fold in 1/2 a cup of cheese. Spread 1/4 of a cup of beans on each tortilla, then divide eggs and remaining cheese on top. Spoon 2 tablespoons of salsa over each and roll, folding sides over filling and then rolling from the bottom up. If desired, crisp both sides in a non-stick skillet on medium. Serve with remaining salsa. Number 2. Egg salad blini bites. Yields 24 servings. Total time 20 minutes. Ingredients: egg salad, 6 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon of finely grated lemon zest plus 1 tablespoon of juice from 1 lemon, kosher salt, pepper, a small red onion, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of chopped capers, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill chopped plus more for sprinkling, blini, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/4 tablespoon of kosher salt. Directions: make blini. Whisk together all-purpose flour, milk, unsalted butter, and kosher salt. Heat large non-stick skillet on medium-high. In batches, drop the batter by tablespoonfuls into the pan and cook until browned for about 1 minute. Flip and cook 30 seconds more. Make the egg salad. Place eggs in a small, heavy-bottomed saucepan, cover with water, and bring to a boil. Remove from heat, cover, and let sit for 11 minutes. Run under cold water to cool. Peel and chop the eggs. Meanwhile, whisk together mayonnaise, lemon zest and juice, and 1/4 of teaspoon of salt and pepper each. Add eggs and mix to combine. Fold in onions, capers, and dill. Spoon on top of blini and sprinkle with additional dill. Number 3. Make a head egg and cheese sandwich. Yields 4 servings. Total time 10 minutes. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, kosher salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 ounces of extra sharp cheddar cheese coarsely grated, 4 English muffins toasted, 2 cups of baby spinach, and 4 thin slices of ham, optional. Directions: in a bowl, beat the eggs with 1 tablespoon of water and 1/4 teaspoon of each salt and pepper. Heat oil in a large non-stick skillet on medium heat. Add the eggs and cook, stirring with a rubber spatula every few seconds to the desired doneness. 2 to 3 minutes for medium soft eggs. Spoon onto the bottom half of each muffin and top with cheese, spinach, and ham if using. Sandwich with the remaining muffin top. Number 4. Sweet potato kale frittata. Yields 4. Prep time 20 minutes. Total time 30 minutes. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 1 cup of half and half, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, 2 cups of sweet potatoes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cups of firmly packed chopped kale, half of a small red onion, 2 cloves garlic, and 3 ounces of goat cheese. Directions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk together eggs and next 3 ingredients. Sauté sweet potatoes in 1 tablespoon of hot oil in a 10-inch oven-proof non-stick skillet over medium heat, 8 to 10 minutes or until potatoes are done, tender, and golden. Remove and keep warm. Sauté the kale and the next 2 ingredients in the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil 3 to 4 minutes or until kale is wilted and tender. Stir in the potatoes. Pour the egg mixture evenly over vegetables and cook for 3 more minutes. Sprinkle the egg mixture with goat cheese. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 10 to 14 minutes or until set.